Namaskar. I, Vivek Tiwari, again have come in front of you to share a story of Baba Neem Karoli Maharaj and a message which he gave to his devotees, his very, very influential devotees who were very prominent figures of our country. An incident happened when Babaji, one of his very, very close devotees, Shri Kanhaiyalal Munshi ji, who was the founder of Vishwa Hindu Parishad Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, he also was once the governor of the state Uttar Pradesh. He was he revered Baba Neem Karoli. Similarly, Jugal Kishore Birla ji, who was also one of the very, very prominent names of our country. They were remembering Maharaji, and suddenly they found they were traveling on a road, and suddenly one of them, they were traveling in different cars, and while Mr. Munshi got down from the car and he saw there was a gentleman on the roadside who was lying down with a blanket over his head, and there were few children, very poor children, poor people who were surrounding him. So he was wondered what happened. So he came down of his car and just went nearby to that person and found that it was none other than Baba Neem Karoli himself. And he said, "You were wanting to meet me. Now good that you have come. You go and buy me some food and some jalebis." It's a sweet which is very fondly eaten by the Indians. So Mr. Birla said, "Why are you lying on the road?" He said, "Just go. I am feeling very hungry. I did not find anything to eat since morning. So why don't you go and buy me some food?" So Mr. Munshi went, and suddenly Mr. Birla also came. And he also saw Babaji in the same state, and he said, "You see, Munshi doesn't know how much to get. So you also go and buy some more." So there were about 5-6 people of the same capacity who came and met Babaji, and Babaji told each one of them to go in different directions to buy food. When they came back, they saw there was a huge group of children and there were poor people surrounding him. And he said, "Now that you've got food, feed everybody." And it was the generosity, the bliss, the kind of complete, the atmosphere was full of bliss, it was full of joy. And all these people who were very, very prominent and influential, they got a message, and Babaji whispered in their ears. He said, "The money should be used for the needy. You should feed the needy, should help the needy. Money should also be circulated in such circles." This is what Babaji meant about wealth. He connected the influential, the rich, with the poor in such a manner that even today most of his devotees are following the same system, and they are engaged in feeding people, the needy people. They are helping the needy people, and they have grown. They have really grown many folds. This was the definition of wealth, money, Babaji gave to all his influential devotees. Such is the grace of Babaji. He resides in everybody's heart. I'll come with more stories similar to these. Till then,